Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Kren Dr. Singkon, UMP ka VP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, ya ki jing bat ki jing shong ir jong ki paitbah, ki basyong haki kaput jong ka Assam bat Bangladesh. Dr. Ki ulayat hu ha parlimen, baka kanhun jong ki nong thau jing kulmar na Assam bat Bangladesh, kila penting pensir bat kila berngam ya ki paitbah jong ka Meghalaya. Bunsin ki runar kila thom na kabor, bantu bat ban penjot ki jing thum jing teb jong ki paitbah ka Meghalaya. Dr. Ki ulaong baki paitbah jong ka Meghalaya, kila im haka jing shifting, bat bun naki kila dukno ya ka kam ka jam, namar ya ki jaka jong ki la kenino daki runar jong ka Assam bat Bangladesh. Dr. Ki ula kerpat juru ya ka sorkar India bat ya ka sorkar Meghalaya, baki de ban simki ya ki kam, syapang ki jing sya nyon ben bat ki jing syam jenjar jong ki paitbah, ki basyong haki kaput Assam bat Bangladesh. Dr. Ki ula ong ba dan ka eka bomla, ladang le hok bat trai hok nakam ta ki paitbah ki bangi syakri.
Dr. Ki A.J. Singkon.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would begin by saying that land is life. But what is life without land? Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned ministry and through this august house about the plight of my people who are living in the border with Assam and Bangladesh. Mr. Speaker, sir, for many years, my people living in the border have been facing persistent threat to their land and even to their life. Time and again, group of miscreants from neighboring Assam and neighboring Bangladesh have been intimidating and threatening the life of my people from time to time, and many times they have forcefully taken away their agricultural produce and even their household produce belonging to my people. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to mention here that my people are living in constant fear, and many of them have lost their livelihood because their land have been encroached upon and their land have been forcefully taken away by these people. I am afraid, Mr. Speaker, sir, that at this very moment while I am speaking, I am quite sure that there are people like those living in a village called Mukro in West Jaintia Hills, who recently, during the recent district council election, they have been, stopped not to even exercise their franchise. And this is a very serious matter, Mr. Speaker, sir. And these people are terribly in deep despair and living a life of hopelessness and a life which is full of uncertainty. I therefore strongly urge upon the government, both at the centre and also these two state governments, to take up this matter very seriously, Mr. Speaker, sir. And I'm sure that if there is a will, there is a way. And also, Mr. Speaker, sir, I always believe that nothing is impossible if we are sincere, if we are honest, and we have a sense of responsibility to the people whom we serve. Just want to remind us here that we are all here not to be served, but to serve. The people have put their faith and trust in us. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge upon you, through you, to ensure that our people, my people, life are taken care of, that their life is secured. And also here, due to the problem across the border, especially in our neighboring country, Bangladesh. And therefore, I would urge upon you, Mr. Speaker, sir, that people living in the border, especially again at the Bangladesh border, that our forces who are supposed to man the border take utmost care to be on their toes to protect the life interests of our people. So with these few words, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for this.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Thank you.